Oh, and make sure you remind me to not curse, because I know your channel like family friendly and whatnot.
It's a very family friendly channel. I'll put that in the beginning because that was funny. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, That Chocolate Vegan, with me, Erin Wells, and you read that title correctly. Today we're going to veganize the viral Popeyes chicken sandwich. Let's get started. We're going to do this 3 ways. We're going to try it with cauliflower, vital wheat gluten mixed with jackfruit, and I have some tofu here. Starting off with boiling the jackfruit for 1, and I froze the tofu overnight because I'm going to press that out and leave it while I go to work. So I'm going to get my cast iron skillet and leave it there to thaw out while I'm gone. Now I'm also going to go ahead and soak the cauliflower in a buttermilk batter. Now I found out later in the video that this is not necessary, but it does make a little bit of a softer chew for your cauliflower. So it's just up to you. So this is just 1 cup of almond milk mixed with 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. And I'm gonna put a couple of dashes of hot sauce in there as well. Again, optional because yeah, I did it without it and it was just fine.
And just lay it down like somebody pulled the gun out, boo.
So this is
Sunny Sweet.
I had to call her, y'all, because she is queen of Satan, and I just was really nervous about this recipe for the culture.
Okay, y'all, we finna use 1 cup of vital wheat gluten. Now we're gonna season it like it's real chicken. So this is poultry seasoning. We gonna put some of that in there, probably like, feel me, a tablespoon. What? A tablespoon. Just shimmy until it feel good in your spirit. Then you wanna get your fork and you want to mix it around so that all the seasoning gets into the powder. I just like spice, so if you don't like spice, I might not be the best person to ask. And the best advice I can give you guys is you should be able to smell the seasoning. Yep, this smells chickeny. Now you can add the jackfruit. The cool part about the jackfruit is it's what's gonna make it pull apart like chicken. So some people like to just throw it in, but I'm kind of like selective with the pieces. I like to get the pull apart pieces in there. And this is also good for like if you're making vegan ribs, this works well too. I saw that right here on That Chocolate Vegan.
So you're taking out like the seed pieces, right? You just want the stringy parts.
I want the stringy parts.
Now what's going on is she is mixing it all up, guys, and then she's gonna pour in this veggie broth that I got on sale at Kroger. A little bit at a time. She doesn't measure, just a little bit at a time until she gets the consistency that she is looking for. As you can see here, mix, 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 flick of the wrist, do dot, 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 okay. Now she kneaded this seitan for about 3.5 minutes, and she made 2 big patties, but I decided that we can make 4 because it is going to swell. And so we broke it apart some more, and then we put it in my steamer for about 45 minutes. Now, getting back to the tofu that we let thaw out for about 6 hours, it was still too wet for my liking, so I got a new paper towel, and then I overpressed it, look at that, unnecessary. And then I noticed that this happened.
Okay guys, we have about 1.5 cups of flour. We have a tablespoon of cumin, tablespoon of onion powder, tablespoon of paprika, a little salt, a little pepper, garlic, onion, dry mustard, and I just shook some cayenne in there. So a tablespoon of everything, okay? Did I say powdered sugar? Because that's what that is. And I am gonna put a little poultry seasoning in here as well. Wow, okay y'all, just like that. See that love? And we're gonna combine all the ingredients, okay? We're gonna take our travesty and we're gonna try to make some chicken pieces out of it. Don't judge her right now. Same marinade I did for the cauliflower. It is buttermilk. I added some flour to it. I did not measure. A little hot sauce, salt and pepper. That's it. And that's just so we can have a wet mixture before we put it into our dry mixture. All right, so I'm just breaking this into an odd shape basically, y'all. This is real odd. I'm gonna go with that. And let's see what just happens here, y'all. So I'm gonna drop it in the wet. And drop it in the dry, okay? Can y'all see that? Barely. We're gonna stop while we're not ahead and go ahead and drop this in the grease.
Prayer.
All right, here is the tofu version for you guys to see close up right here.
It's good. Oh,
It does look good. I'm not getting a Popeyes. Maybe more cayenne, more salt.
Not Popeyes. Definitely
No.
not Popeyes. It's
Not Popeyes.
It's not seasoned enough. It needs to be that elbow fat seasoning. Or maybe if it was a little thinner too. Because I think you get the taste of the tofu.
Right.
There's so much tofu in the middle.
Right, right. All right,
But it
round.
does look like it.
It does, but I mean we don't. Yeah. All right, round 2.
Moving on to the cauliflower, guys. I did a double batter, so in the milk mixture, then in the dry mixture, and as you can see, I'm just adding more seasoning. Feel free to freehand, guys. I'm literally just adding more seasoning, trying to make it taste as chicken-like as possible.
All right, we back with the double battered cauliflower. Now I left off the top bun because it's really too small to make a sandwich out of, y'all. This particular one. Maybe I don't remember what Popeyes tastes like.
I like this one better.
No, I like it better too, but it just tastes like chicken. I don't remember. I just remember Chick-fil-A. I don't remember Popeyes. I don't think I ate it. I ate at Popeyes.
Oh, I ate at Popeyes.
All right, last but not least, before my battery died, round 3.
Last but not least, guys, we have our seitan. Sunny switched up the wet batter, but the dry mixture is still the same. I mean, I'm pretty sure she might have added some more salt, but anything else, again, same mixture. This fried about 2 minutes, the same as everything else. As you can see, the grease is getting black, and as you also will see later, my eyes are getting red.
All right, here we go, guys. It tastes like it got sage in it. It does. Does it? Oh, does that veggie broth?
Culture seasoning too.
Tastes like Thanksgiving. I like it.
Yeah. It tastes like when you make the sandwich the day after with the turkey and the stuffing on it, because you know the stuffing be real bready. Still not Popeyes.
No,
But not bad.
not bad at all. Okay, my favorite. I'm a cauliflower lover. That was my favorite. It would have been a tofu. I'm not even a tofu eater like that, but the inside was too tofu. That's not a word. The inside was too tofu-y for me. That's not a word. Also not a word.
What's the third one? Oh, okay.
The one you made?
my favorite one was the seitan one because the cauliflower to me is just always gonna be fried cauliflower. It will never be chicken on its best day. On chicken's worst day and cauliflower's best day, it will never be. So it was a great fried cauliflower sandwich. And the tofu was actually really good. I would have chosen the tofu as my favorite if the tofu would have been thinner. Like half the width of it. That's width, right?
Same. And I'm ready to wash my eyes out because I'm dying. Okay, y'all. This video. So now I guess I'm gonna name this Vegan Fried Chicken Sandwich 3 Ways Popeyes Attempt. All right, bye. Round 2. All right, guys. I made everything the same way. The only difference is I did not do tofu. Instead, I did this. I did Karav meatless spicy patties and soy free.
This actually legit look like chicken. It's so funny.
Right, girl. That's what I think it.
The Chick-fil-A on the bottom.
And the pickle, right? The pickle. Just yes.
Yeah.
Hey.
That's
I don't know how you
good.
finesse this one, but
That was my favorite from yesterday, y'all.
For real.
I had to get the pickle in there. It's a key.
Hey.
I'm with it.
You with that? You with that? Okay. Okay.
I'm with it too.
Right here, the soy free. I haven't tried that one myself.
So wait, are we supposed to compare this to Popeyes?
Yeah, I mean, you can. I already know it don't taste like that.
Oh, right, this is popping.
Yeah, I mean, yeah.
It's real popping.
Yeah.
It's real good.
Somehow I buy.
Okay. Okay. Still the cauliflower. All right. I haven't even tried it myself. All right.
A little spice to it.
Okay.
I'm with it.
I added extra cayenne and hot sauce to
I
it.
got a little Haitian in me, you know. I get my thing. Take another bite, see that?
You annoyed?
It's sweet.
I'm
Like a
allergic,
little-
so I couldn't have that.
like a little chewy texture.
It's more chewy. I use it more for steak than chicken, but people use it for
Yeah, I say that a lot.
So what's the ranking? I know you only had 2, but what's your ranking of the Worst, still my best.
Definitely the cauliflower.
Okay, okay.
This is legit my bad.
Yeah.
It's like the
It's
top
crazy
10
how
last.
much it look like chicken, but it's the batter.
Right,
But
it's
it
all
really
about
tastes
seasoning.
good. Mm-hmm.
All right. Well, there you have it, people. Okay, bye. As always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time. Peace.